Hey, it's Mike here at Bourgeois Motors, and today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Roush Ranger. Check it out. Let's take a closer look. "2020 Roush Ranger 302A Sport Package." It's equipped with a Roush signature grille with lighting. They've done a tow hook upgrade on there as well as we have a wheel and tire upgrade matched with Fox 4-corner suspension. This truck is well equipped. It's going to give you great off-road capability, a smooth drive every day, and something that not everyone has. It's also equipped with painted matched fender flares. Coming down the side of the truck, we have the Roush decals. Also, this truck does have some performance, as we mentioned, so this has performance exhaust on it. Taking a closer look at the inside, Roush has done a great job with the new interior upfit. Changed out the black cloth for leather, nice embroidery, diamond stitching, nice soft feel. Roush badging. Look at how unique this vehicle is. That identification shows you that this is a 2020 model and it is the 14th Roush Ranger produced. That's kind of cool. Let's take it for a drive and see how it handles. Driving this Ranger with the performance upgrades, the suspension, the wheels and tires, this truck really does handle very well, and it's stuck to the road. We're driving on some not so nice snowy cover road right now, and the traction is very positive. This vehicle with the performance upgrade, it puts it to 270 horsepower and 300 pounds of torque. That's a lot of power in this truck, and it's very responsive. The exhaust is very quiet. The throttle response is very snappy. The truck's equipped with trail control, so I know that I can take this truck on or off-road and be very confident in my driving abilities. Thanks for checking out our review today of our 2020 Roush Ranger. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on all of our social media. Stay tuned for some more content to come. Have a great day.